What's up everybody, Kid Android here. So, Honor just revealed a new foldable smartphone in the market called the Honor Magic V2, and this phone is creating a history. Well, foldable phones used to be big and bulky, but Huawei changed this trend by making the thinnest foldable phone, the Huawei Mate X3, and now Honor have beaten Huawei by making the Honor Magic V2 thinner than the Huawei Mate X3. So yeah, Honor's latest Magic V2 is the thinnest folding smartphone to date, measuring just 9.9 mm thick, and this makes it as slim as some traditional bar phones. And despite the lightweighting design, the Magic V2 doesn't compromise on features though. Well, it's packed a large 5000 mAh of battery and is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. And if you look at the whole design of it, the smartphone brings a premium design with a large rectangular camera module somewhat similar to the Honor Magic VS. And as I already told you, when folded, the smartphone measures only 9.9 mm thick, but when you open it, the thickness goes to an impressive 4.7 mm, which is insane. And yeah, Honor says the Magic V2 leaves the Huawei Mate 50RS behind in terms of thickness, which is a conventional bar phone. And guys, it's not just thin but also lightweighted. The plain leather version of the device weighs around 231 grams and the glass version is only 237 grams. Both of these versions are lighter than the Apple's iPhone 14 Pro Max, which weighs around 240 grams. Further, Honor has also made sure to make the device durable than ever. Well, it comes with a new hinge technology called the Honor Lubin Titanium hinge. Well, this hinge has passed the Swiss SGS Gold standard certification, which means it can withstand 4 lakh folds without any problems, which translates to roughly 100 openings and closing a day for 10 more years, which is like crazy. And there is a still visible crease, but like other foldables, it's easy to ignore once you start using the device. It also sports multi-angle hovering, allowing you to use the phone in a variety of positions. Anyway, both internal and external screens do support 120Hz LTPO refresh rate, and also the camera quality of the phone is pretty good. Here is a sample taken from the main camera, so I guess this phone will be insanely popular when it went on sale globally. So yeah, what do you think about this thinnest folding phone ever? Well, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.